Pato in the building. We just want to start the level, so like just follow us. Thank God, so now start time. Osama no TV. That's Alaji OTB.
Yes, I.
From Dubai. You have to come from Dubai now.
Yes,
so,
I.
So we don't waste time for any other thing. As soon as see us soon now, with a boss in enter inside that arrangement, making one lost. That level. Okay. I see the odds. I'm not gonna lie you. We're not busting for inside the matter. Yes, the Nigeria FM 102.7. Of course, I just hear that song from all these young men where we say the vest for the matter of Akira. You understand?
If I don't believe it, I see one video of a recently when you say, like, say, him and Davido said they get
something like
mix
that
of this particular song.
You understand?
Nice one. Big shout out to Olakira. When they sweep me for the Olakira matter, I say, Olakira and I person, well, I know, as in, all of a sudden, this in my Maserati now,
you don't blow. So you're happy?
I'm happy.
But you know, say that the same thing way. When we didn't sign motor all the year, Alabaruka, we just a year because who will be this guy? Well, this guy they try for this matter. They look up and say, Alubarika, but this guy get talent too. That's only the song go. That's what they wonder. You remember somebody you sit down, we never see him. We never see him. All of a sudden, this guy just come out, the whole world just accept him, the guy just get your own level.
From that time
till tomorrow. You understand? And I don't go lie, see the person here. Of course, the guy don't boss for the matter. Patrick Rankin himself.
Bossing for the matter, man. See, I don't say.
Why you say?
Now we didn't run up.
Yeah,
You understand?
Why you say? Oh, man. We get so many things we will ask you, but then we only take a small. You get some kind of things I just want to push enter before we discuss this your album, we call it Chiri. And of course, we will ask you why you call it Chiri and other things. But for now, you get some kind of things we be saying we check out for inside Africa as a whole. Nigeria don't produce you, and everybody don't for the world don't say now you be that dancehall king for inside the arrangement for Africa. Now, yes, now you know. If they want to talk of dancehall, Paturaki they can talk now.
Well, made the interview. Sorry, made the interview just go.
Yeah, understand.
Professor, get a pertinent questions.
Yes, like no, we go ask him.
So that fire.
That fire, the Paturaki fire. You know, understand? What if I want to ask you now? Is there get somebody where we say I still respect all the way for in
Called Pull Up, the remix.
Okay.
Song.
Nine song. He
Yeah.
put you inside.
Yeah.
But you never get
my
the
person.
okay.
Well, now the question I want to ask I want to
My
what's
guy be.
the relationship between you and Stonebwoy? Because
Stonebwoy
I don't lie, I feed that guy.
No, my guy.
Anytime I get the time when I just listen to the guy, I just hear Paturaki for the guy. You know
Funny enough, our two don't know since like 2008, 9, 8.
Wow.
Yeah,
That year
before he even blew.
you understand?
Before he blew, before I blew, when we jam for Ghana, we know each other.
Okay.
You know, so when God come bless us, we everywhere just.
Bless you.
You know, so we just.
We still last night that Alubarika will give us
You understand?
We'll give God.
So, but we expect so at least this one of these days or one of these times you go carry and put from inside your songs most as the matter they go because they blood you. You are very much welcome. Now, what I want to ask you, Paturanki, we say these three even confuse all of us because we don't know whether we don't get any press release on why they call them three. But more hearing from the horse's mouth, why you call this your album Three?
First off, 3 I no plan am before. Na inspiration, it just come my head. Say we go name the album Three. And you know, some people say good things they come in threes.
Okay.
You know, this year I turned 30.
Okay.
You know, and that one not be even the reason why we name the album Three. When we record the album, 3 highlights we Paturanki stand for. You know, for these COVID times and life generally.
Yeah.
You know, now say number 1 na love.
Okay.
Number 2 na happiness.
Okay.
And the third one na life. If this world where they live, if we feel run in this order, you know, say the world will be better.
Not be lie.
Because if we love ourselves, we go happy. If we're happy, that's still long life be that. You know, so na just waiting me I put together. And if you dey listen to the album, you need to now these 3 things you go to feel.
Okay.
Those 3 things now you go to feel.
For inside the album right
you,
now.
if you dey sing song like Abule, you go see the happiness and love.
Yeah.
You know, so now the whole idea be that.
Wow. Because we don't check this matter left, right, and center. No. I don't go like this Abule. Abule don't cause problem. Abule don't cause problem. You understand? So now, no, Abule don't blow now. Now, what if I try ask Paturanki now, be say, you just drop the Abule like say, my God, give them. Whether you expect, you expect say Abule go hold people to ransom as they hold people right now because the Abule don't blow. It never even start to even spread though, based on say when they don't open club and everything. What do you feel when they
say anytime when they do like something like for me if I do music or most musicians, this one general thing. Anytime we won't drop anything, our prayer and make it big pass what we don't drop
before, yes.
Because we believe in our best leg.
Yes, not be like.
So when I drop them, when we record the song, not good song.
Okay.
Let me say, oh, we like our this jam nice, but when I play them for people, you know, few people, you know, they make me understand. Say, part of this jam, na jam too, you know. So from that time, I can't see signs. Say, like a song where people will like.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, now my prayer be say make it big pass other ones when I don't release.
Okay. So, but Abule who write am?
Let me write Abule.
Okay. Who produced Abule?
One young boy they call Tales.
Bad guy.
Well, I don't know. Me, I just like deviate more from the album 3 because I'm not gonna lie you. When I see waiting Nigerian music they do to the world, they sweet my belly, and they happy say I know some of them. For instance, the other day they watch what they call these guys from Jamaica, Morgan Heritage. You know, you do a song with them by the way, and they mistake.
Yes.
They feature you for one of their songs.
Yeah.
You know, they talk about world music in general. If I like, if you quote yourself, you say, but for Nigeria, for Africa, try for Nigeria, I say, but the artists said, there plenty. You know, they talk a lot of things. That one sweet me. Then, just recently, I come here say, the Bob Marley family self, you know, they call on you to do it, and you go there, part of it, the remake of One Love. How you see how that it happen?
You even get one big one we drop today, Buju Banton feature me for one.
I go start this microphone
No, let me. Wait. What if Patuaki they tell the world now? They tell us say, as of today now, Buju feature you inside.
It just dropped today. It just dropped today.
Wow.
Today.
So blessed.
What will be the title of the song?
I'm blessed.
I'm blessed. You are Buju Banton,
Buju Banton, yes.
No, boss scatter something.
I beg.
We'll pay.
When I talk just now, I don't even know of this one.
No, they say you're the drop today.
One person, you know, say normally this interview based on say the relationship we get off air. Now one person was supposed to interview like this, you know, you know, say now God, you know, supposed to call the interview like this. Just to know what they go on outside.
You know that's that.
Because to me, as I feel it just be like say, you know, we converse like how we talk off air.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Just
that's what they do now. That's what they do. That's what they do.
And for me, you know, the role where they play. And you know, people like Una, I don't go lie, Una really they part of this whole story.
With
God. We don't come a very long way, and even times when I don't misbehave in a way, I go just look and say,
our guy, just never. Our guy.
You know? So me, I did thankful, and so now say it just be
okay.
So,
now, if someone could enter inside another one, would be like say, I use style here today. You just do. They do your video. The video for Abule don't come out. It don't drop so. Now which day could drop so?
It dropped last week Friday.
Okay.
Today I make a
one week where we say yes, where you do the matter. Okay.
I don't do like over 1 million views.
I know. That's for you too. Then another thing now be say the new norm now virtual concert. So at the year say you do one thing, maybe say una do one show for America and everything. We say una they do una virtual. What did that today about?
Okay, now one show they call them Capital One Summer Stage.
Wow, that big thing, oh.
Yeah, a big event for New York. And so this year festival, so we did here. Some other people said did here, and you know, now something we be say I believe say based on work we didn't see.
Okay, of course.
Past and recent.
Yeah.
You know, just like OTB asked me that time, say how I feel when the Mali people call me. I don't go lie, but when I see that email, say, can we get him to record this song as soon as possible? I don't record the song already. I read the email, I don't record it. Like I don't do my part. I say these people, I don't take it. Bob Marley. My Twitter bio, I write, say next big thing after Bob Marley. So, I don't take play. You know, so, now, I don't feel words, no feel, like, words no day enough to explain her. For me, na honor, very big honor. Because Bob Marley na somebody when I look up to. So when I even go Jamaica, when I go in house, in Toronto to museum, you know, like I connect with them because this man, I learn many things from this man.
Okay, but to rank in for inside the building, and of course we'll talk about an album Theory, Theory, and of course we don't bust out everything when they happen for inside here. But you get one particular question where we say I would still like to ask Pat Ranking, but then again we still get Black Magic, and of course another one song we'll play before that we tell them and say okay yes, wanna go or make any call or anything. This guy Bora, Pato, that guy. For when they call that place Georgia for Europe or so, that's something to something of the sun or some prior to the sun. Man, that intrigued me, and when I see the video, by the way, you know that you heal the world and everything, everything just get one kind of concept, it scatter me. And a particular time when Heal the World video come out, they said that the most expensive video way they don't ever do for inside Nigeria kind of Nigerian artist musician don't do that. Heal the World. I can see with Bora, Snow and everything. What's your relationship with Bora?
Bora and my brother, you know, my daughter godfather. You know?
Okay.
And a very very good guy.
Yeah.
You know, that's somebody maybe say instant for what I stand for.
Okay.
You know. Irrespective of in color and race. Somebody we get love. For
human, yes. You know, I noticed.
So now music join us together. Yeah, it can't be like so we don't know each other for long.
Oh wow, those are the biggest boys from that side though. No, guy, you understand? We don't want to talk too much. I don't gonna lie, it did shock me. But no, Black Girl Magic. They think shock me when I say Black Girl Magic. They say get inside this something. What do you mean that this are the stubborn part of Patriarchy, the bad, I mean. What do you call them Bad Girl Magic for that?
Okay, you know this song here, I look and say every time you see what they happen, this the way they profile our women racially.
Yes.
Racism everywhere. You know, I just feel that our women deserve much.
Okay.
You know, they need something to make them proud. They look themselves in the mirror, they say, yes, man, maybe woman, Black Girl Magic, are they proud of my skin?
Okay.
You know, maybe they think of another option. I got to look like this to be like this, to fit in. No. Make them understand, say, them, now then they the table. You don't understand. Anybody will come, I'm not supposed to give anybody chance. Say chairs,
sit down.
Them say they will drag the chair, sit down.
Okay.
So that's why we record Black Girl Magic. The whole segregation of our black woman need to stop. You know, we need to let them understand that our daughters beautiful, our mama them fine, our wives beautiful. You know, that's why I write songs like Black Girl Magic.
That thing makes sense, and of course, I want to listen to it right now. Black Girl Magic, Patriarchy.
Make it blast.
Sure. Well, I say, okay, make it last at the level in the ground.
No, you got one very
pertinent question. Very pertinent.
I must ask Pastor Rankin. You don't tell why I don't think I say, man, I must ask Pastor Rankin this question because you see, Pastor why you laugh like that? You see, Pastor Rankin and why I respect too much. You see, Pastor Rankin humility first, and he bust my head. Too much. He bust my head. And I know Pastor Rankin among peace.
Audio TV.
No, I must stop my mind. You know, for this industry what we do right now, a lot of people they do well. I mean, when you go mention names like Davido, you go mention Whiskey, you go mention Lamide, you go mention Pastor Rankin, you go mention Bonham Boy. And the truth of the matter is, they make us proud. They carry the name of this country. In fact, every other part they fail, but when it comes to entertainment, music especially,
I want to blow them up.
They give Nigeria a good name.
And they tell you that.
Well, what make me they do all this thing? I say, the question I really want to ask, I say, I mean, not first. What is your relationship with Burna Boy?
My relationship with Burna. Burna is my guy. You know.
You sure?
Oh yeah. You know.
Because I don't hear from several quarters. It not be like confirmed, but say Pato. Burna, I like this.
No, not the lie. No, the person is like, like.
Why I go feel believe this more than another thing I have to believe? Because there one time you say you just January here when they nominate him for the Grammy Awards. I see what you even tweet and go get it, bro. That kind of thing, you know. When I see the thing, I say, wow, nice. But the question, well, not you answer that one. I want one that say whether. No need. Go on.
But the truth is, you know, are they cool with everybody for the industry? Everybody. I don't get issue with anybody. Like, when I miss I no get issue, I fit pick phone call anybody.
Okay.
When we see outside, you know, when I shake them, the shake what they shake, now real shake.
Shake, yeah.
Maybe shake
Not
or
be shake
say
or plastic
I don't want
smile.
fake and so are they cool with everybody? You know, that's how I just feel say life supposed to be.
But you and Burna don't do any song at all before?
No, we
We
never.
never do.
When I plan to do any song.
He go blood you.
Definitely.
He go blood you. No, now we dey talk
My
here say he go
music
blood
though,
you.
one of the music man, me I be fan. You know, he sabi the music.
See if you.
And me I be fan. I
You say you
definitely
fan.
know say one day.
Say you not to go do all this. And one day it must happen. It must happen.
Okay, if you say so.
If you say so, we agree.
Why am I?
I'm not gonna lie. Of course, we don't wait till that. We come to the high point. Now, the high point, you say, man, no verse. We're not going to say for our YouTube because that bully with us, Abataraki, Osam, OTV, Pataraki, Abule, here, studio. We must do now. We must do, sir. And of course, we don't the video right now. We'll be saying, phone be safe, don't turn cameraman. Solid one. Now, two camera I hold. I'll say, thank you so much, Burna Boy. I say, Burna Boy, sorry. Thank you so much.
The matter take
The
close.
matter is very close. Thank you so much, Patrick. You say you come inside the matter because of this Burna Boy issue where they talk left, right, and center. And of course, as you dey for inside the studio now, I'm not gonna lie you, we won't play this song, Abule. You don't tell us say that from your mind, now this song come, you just write the song and everything. But for inside studio, yeah, we won't dance this song.
And before we even dance again, I want to say big shout out to that. What's his name again? Raphael from Toronto. You know where Toronto I come from.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
You understand? And aside that fact, saying I don't matter, so I just feel that that's do something.
Yeah, so.
You know, that's what I tell and say.
Your number they here now.
Making just manage that new Infinix phone.
Hey, manager,
I'm
man.
from Infinix, Nigeria. You know?
Okay.
I'm
So
big shout out to you.
Alright, we thank God. We thank
But
God.
they can't wait before we enjoy this Abule. He bust my head though. Especially back
Kwa, kwa, kwa.
AJ
boys, and they like to throw it.
Quack, quack, quack. Don't tell the whistle.
You know, and I cannot.
Leave her like that.
Thank you so much. I love you, Patrick. Let's go.